County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was 41 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lac La Belle, 40 miles east of Watertown, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Source, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Is expected. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Menominee Falls, Hartford, Sussex, Jackson, Slinger, Germantown, Lanyon, Ridgefield, Ashburn, Rubicon, Lebanon, Neosho, Colgate, Holding Hill, Payne, Montrose, Thames, and Lewis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. National Weather Service at 3:58 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Germantown, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Whitefish Bay, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Fox Point, Soapville, Bayside, Stevensville, Glendale, River Hills, and Shorewood. People attending the Packer viewing party in Shorewood should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud to ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud to ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to Midland from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Portland, Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 3:59 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of Bayside to 20 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, large hail. Source, radar. Impact from large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Source, radar. Impact, large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:45 a.m. At 1:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Madison, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Watertown, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Shorewood Hills, Cambridge, Maple Bluff, Lake Ripley, Milford, and Utica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:30 a.m. At 2:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Mills, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations intended include Watertown, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, Wales, O'Connell North, Ottawa, Johnson Creek, Dowson, LaBelle, Axonia, Rome, Nashotah, Milford, Waterville, Sullivan, O'Connell Milwaukee, and Mapleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 a.m. At 3:34 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Waukesha, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations intended include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wautosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Pewaukee, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Elm Grove, West Milwaukee, and Glendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to Midland from Fort Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin until 5:15 a.m. At 3:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles west of Milwaukee, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, large hail. Source, radar. Impact, large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.